Hello dear students, I welcome you in today's English class. Let's start where we left in the previous video. It's Natalia's statement we have to start with. Well, there's it's you and Papa said, go there's a merchant come for his goods. How do you do, Ivan Vasilevich? We see that Chubukov have not told Natalia about the upcoming marriage proposal, what Lomov was going to give her, but she said that her father told her that some merchant has come. And she said, okay, it's you, but my father gave me some other information. Lomov, how do you do? Honored Natalia Stefanova. Now Lomov said, how are you? Just general greetings he is going to start. Natalia, you must excuse my apron and negligee. We are shelling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. They seat themselves. Won't you have some lunch? Because Natalia had come up in her night dress. So she said, please excuse me that I have come with apron and gown because we were working something and I was just busy in my domestic task. That is why I have not changed the dress. Then she asked him to sit down. He sat down. Then she asked about lunch. No, thank you. I have had some already. Now Lomov said that he had already taken his lunch. Natalia, then smoke. Here are the matches. The weather is splendid now. But yesterday it was so wet that the workmen didn't do anything all day. Natalia said, then we can smoke if lunch you have already done. Then she said, today meaning that day the weather was good, but yesterday, the previous day, it was not so good. That is why her workers could not do any work because that was a wet day. How much hay have you staked? Just think, I felt greedy and had a whole field cut. And how I am not at all pleased about it because I am afraid my hay may rot. Because Natalia was also a landowner and Lomov was also landowner. So they were sending their laborers at their land for work. So Natalia is asking how much hay you have cut in your land. She said, I was greedy and I cut so much and now I felt because it was raining. So maybe my hay could got rot. I ought to have waited a bit. But what's this? Why you are in evening dress? Well, I never. Are you going to a ball? Or what? Though I must say you look better. Tell me, why are you got up like that? Now Natalia noticed that Lomov had come in formal dress. So she said that why you had come in this formal gown and such long dress, coat and all. Are you going on any party, ball party, any dance party you are planning to go? But she complimented him that he was looking better in that dress. Excited. You see, honored Natalia Stefanova, the fact is I have made up my mind to ask you hear me out. See, you can see he is going to propose Natalia, but he felt somewhere nervous. So he got excited that Natalia was appreciating his looks. She said that I had come here to tell you something, but he felt somewhere nervous. That is why these ... are telling that he wanted to say something but was not able to get all courage. Of course, you will be surprised and perhaps even angry. But aside, it's awfully cold. He said, maybe you got surprised to see why have I come, or maybe you got angry as well. Then suddenly he felt, I am feeling very cold now. Natalia, what's the matter? Paused well. Now Natalia could not understand why Lomov was feeling so cold or why it was happening with him.